All right, you're gonna go to the L back position. So if you don't know that, go ahead and follow the tutorial now and learn this position before proceeding on with this little sequence here. So once you're in the L back, from there, you're going to bring the hands up. And you're gonna open up front, open. You're gonna style the hand down. From there, you're gonna bring that down leg towards you, and you're gonna bring that foot lock off. You do have to lift up through that top arm. Lift, lift, lift. And you notice here, Bessie here, she's having a hard time getting that foot lock off because she needs to just lift a little bit more. All right, just lift a little bit more. There we go. Good job, Bessie. Yes. All right, there we go. There she gets it. Oh, just a little bit more lift. Shake it off if you got to. There she goes. She's shaking it off there. All right, from there, this is heavy in that one arm because it's one arm because you got to grab down, grab that fabric, bring it up to meet the other, teardrop it there around your waist. You want to coffin your body position. Now this becomes an aesthetic here. You can be angled or you can be straight with your feet, okay? Even with your feet. From there, you're just gonna grab hold, lift. As you come to sit, oh, you got it, good job. All right, you can throw that fabric down and come to stand. And this is your L back to teardrop position into coffin. All right, have fun. And remember to train each part before linking all together. And if you need to head on over to those single tutorials, head over there now and we'll see you there. Otherwise, remember to subscribe to the channel and comment below and let me know what you want to see next time. All right, we will see you then.